It's amazing. It's a great feeling knowing that we're going to play in the state championship this next weekend.
It's crazy. It's phenomenal. This has pretty much been our dream all season. All this hard work, all these practices, especially all this conditioning to get to this level. It means a lot to the guys that we're here, and we need to pull through.
And the guys down here have so much heart. It's not funny, It's just crazy how much they love and how much energy they put into winning and how much energy they put into succeeding, And that's been the motivation. The heart just comes from the heart and finishing.
Guys, we're all sides. All three of you guys, all sides.
So proud. I'm so proud to be a part of this team. Everybody on this team has worked so hard. It's been a great year for us. I think I'm a junior this year, so next year I think we're going to be even more every back this year. I'm proud to say that we're in this championship against Homa. It's going to be great.
Oh, I've been playing football my whole life. I played baseball, I played basketball. But when you're like, oh, I play rugby, you don't play rugby, you're too big, you're too slow. Come watch me on the field, I'm a man on it.
We just have the utmost respect for everyone and root for kids, whether they're ours or not. We just want to see the best out of them.
It's a fraternity that these children will be involved with forever.